You there?
I am a patrol officer on midnight shift.
How long have you been with the Akron Police Department?
4 years.
And prior to that, did you have any law enforcement or military experience?
Military, yes.
And what did that entail?
I spent approximately 5 years in the United States Navy and then approximately 6 years in the United States Army.
And when you joined the Akron Police Department, did you go through training academy?
I did, yes.
And are you currently a recognized certified law enforcement officer in Ohio?
I am, yes.
When you are working with the police department to wear a uniform as you are now,
Yes, sir.
and you regularly patrol in a marked cruiser with operating lights, sirens, and insignia.
Yes.
Now, as a patrol, I want to take first off, in 2022, were you working the same assignment you do now?
Yes.
And so that was still midnight shift back then?
Yes.
And did you work a regular part of town?
Say that again?
Did you work a regular part of town?
Yes.
And what was that?
At the time, it was District 11.
Okay. And what part of Akron did that cover?
That entailed the Market, Arlington, and Exchange area.
Okay. And at that time, did you have a regular partner?
I did, yes.
Who was that?
It was Officer Film.
And as a patrol officer, what do your duties usually include?
Actively patrolling the area includes responding to calls for service and traffic enforcement, things of that nature.
And when it comes to calls for service, are there occasions where you would actually go outside of your district to respond to a call for service or provide backup to other officers?
Yes.
And does that just kind of depend on the nature of the call?
It does. It depends on the priority and nature of the call.
Okay. I want to take you to July 25th of 2022. Did you have occasion to respond to a shooting on Maryland in the Kenmore neighborhood?
I did, yes.
And that location, was that in Akron, Summit County, Ohio?
Yes.
And do you remember the nature of the call?
Yes, it came in as a shooting.
Okay. And I mean, we have shootings where somebody's just shooting off a gun out in the street or somebody gets shot. Do you recall what it entailed?
It came in as a shooting. It's differentiated as opposed to a shots fired call. It's its own separate call.
Okay. And when you arrived, what was going on?
At the time, my partner and I were the second unit on scene.
And who was the first unit? Do you remember?
It was Officer Farr and Officer McGarvey at the time.
And who